Most of the times, a project plan is not being updated at the same day a task is completed. So there may be a few or more days difference from when the tasks are completed until you finally get around to update the project plan. This is where status date comes in. You can set the status date of your project to the actual date that the tasks were completed. Click on the Project tab of the ribbon, click on the calendar icon next to the status date label, select today's date. Click on OK, and you are done. Once you set a status date, you can easily mark tasks as on track. With a single click, Microsoft Project will mark all the tasks up to the status date as on track. Go to the Project tab of the ribbon, click on the calendar icon next to the text Status Date, change the status date to today. Select all tasks by clicking on the upper left corner of the table, go to the Task tab of the ribbon, click on the Mark on Track button. You can select specific tasks and mark them on track very easily. For example, select tasks 3 to 7, click the Mark on Track button. You can also mark a percentage of the tasks as complete using the respective button of the ribbon. Select Task 3, click on the 50% complete button of the ribbon. The task is now shown as 50% completed. You can also add a percentage other than the ones used for the ribbon buttons if you want. The option is only a double click away. Select Task 3, double-click on it, type 23% in the box.